Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have another easy tutorial for you. Let's make this pretty collar. The size we're making is gonna fit a girl from about 5 to 10 years old. We'll start by making an I-cord, and for that we're gonna cast on 4 stitches. We're using double pointed needles, 2 of them, and at the end of each row we're not gonna turn the work, we're gonna simply slide the stitches to the other side, and we knit each row. Continue like this till the cord measures 73 centimeters or about 28 3/4 inches. Now we're casting off. We'll use markers and we'll divide the collar in 3 sections, 2 for the ties and 1 for the collar itself. Each tie section is measuring 20 centimeters or about 7 3/4 inches. Now we're gonna pick up stitches. Make sure you're using a sharp pair of needles, otherwise you'll have trouble picking up the stitches. Or you can also use a crochet hook, as I'm showing you right here. We'll continue like this and we'll pick up all the stitches in between the 2 markers. We turn the work, this will be the wrong side. We're gonna purl all stitches, making sure we increase 1 stitch after each 5 stitches. Every sixth stitch, we're gonna make an increase. We're gonna purl 2 stitches in the same stitch, one in the front loop and one in the back loop. Again, we purl 5 stitches. And in the sixth stitch, we're gonna purl 2 stitches. We're gonna purl it through the back. We're not leaving that stitch off the needle. We're gonna purl another stitch through the front. Now we continue in stockinette stitch, knitting on the right side and purling on the wrong side till the work measures about 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. We're doing another increase row here. We are going to purl 6 stitches this time, and we're gonna double purl in the 7th stitch. Continue in stockinette till work measures 5.5 centimeters or about 2¼ inches. On the next wrong side row, we are going to knit all stitches. Cut the yarn now. Using another pair of 3mm needles, we are going to pick up stitches for the ruffles part. We are picking up 1 stitch like so, and then we do a yarn over. We continue like this. Pick up 1 stitch, 1 yarn over. When we get to the live stitches, we'll do the same. We're going to knit one stitch, one yarn over, knit one, yarn over. Now I'm going to pick up stitches again, and because of the difficult angle, I'm gonna use a double pointed needle. In the same manner, we pick up and knit one, then we do a yarn over. Knit one, one yarn over. We turn the work and we purl the next row. Make sure to either twist or purl the yarn overs through the back loop so that you don't get any holes in your work. Now we continue in stockinette, making sure to decrease at the end of each row. For the right side rows, you knit together the last two stitches, and for the wrong side rows, you purl together the last two stitches. When the piece is measuring about 8 centimeters or 3 1/4 inches, we cast off. I'm going to cast off on a wrong side row, but I'm not gonna purl the stitches, I'm gonna knit the stitches. So you'll see, you'll get a beautiful edge like this. Cut the yarn and weave in all the loose ends.